Hello everyone. Now I am going to solve reading passage 2, that is this is from test 1. The book is Cambridge IELTS 11. So the topic, first of all, this is very much important thing to do while solving this reading passage. You have to look at the title of the paragraph, The Falkirk Wheel, a unique engineering achievement. Before and that. After that, we will look at the paragraph like this and directly go to the questions. Before reading the paragraph, always look the questions before reading the paragraph. Okay, we will go for questions 14 to 19. Do the following statements agree with the information given in reading passage 2? I'm going to tell you each and every step while solving these true false question or fill in the blanks or any type of questions which we come across in reading. So always read the instructions before reading the questions. What the IELTS examiner is asking you about the instruction is asking you in the questions. So in boxes 14 to 19 on your answer sheet, true, false, not given. If the statement agrees, then it is true. If the statement contradicts, then it is false. If there is no information, then it is, of course, not given. The first question is, the Falkirk Wheel has linked the Forth and Clyde Canal with the Union Canal for the first time in their history. Now these are true, false. So we will be looking for the keywords also in this. The Falkirk Wheel has linked. Of course, we will be looking for Falkirk Wheel. Of course, this is the main word in the passage, and the clue words for this question is linked. Of course, these also with the Union Canal for the first time in their history. Of course, we will look for the first time and in their history directly. Now we will start reading the paragraph. Start reading the passage now. Okay. The Falkirk Wheel in Scotland is the world's first and only rotating boat lift. Opened in 2002, it is central to the ambitious 84.5 m euro Millennium Link project to restore navigability across Scotland by reconnecting the historic waterways of the Forth and Clyde and Union Canals. In the question paper, you have to read it very fast and quietly. But since I am making video, so I have to read quick. I have to read loudly. Till now, we have got the word reconnecting. Okay, the historic waterways. Fine. Now. But it is not serving our purpose to find the question. Is the first and only rotating boat lift. Fine. Next paragraph. The major challenge of the project lay in the fact that Forth and Clyde Canal is situated 35 meters below the level of the Union Canal. Historically, yes. Historically, again, the two canals had been joined near the town of Falkirk by a sequence of 11 locks and closed sections of canal in which the water level could be raised or lowered. Okay, what was the question? Yes, we got Forth and Clyde Canal. The question was, again we will go to the questions. The Falkirk Wheel has linked, okay, linking and the Forth and Clyde Canal with the Union Canal for the first time in their history. Okay. Since we got the word here, reconnecting across Scotland by reconnecting the historic waterways of the. So he is saying reconnecting means it was not the first time. So we will be reading here also. Historically, the two canals had been joined near the town of Falkirk by a sequence of 11 locks enclosed section of canal in which water level could be raised or lowered that stepped down across a distance of 1.5 meter. This had been dismantled in 1933, thereby breaking the link. Already it was working till 1933 and it was dismantled. Now it has been revived. So the answer is false. Why it is false? Because what they are saying, they have this wheel has linked between these two canals, and for the first time in their history. But this is wrong thing. This is not matching the statement which we have found in the paragraph. So this answer is false. Here again I want to tell you the rules for the rules to follow for the questions. Here they have written in capital letter false. I have also written in capital letter. If you will be writing here F, then it will be wrong. You will get 0 for this marks. For this false. Next question. There was some opposition to the design of the Falkirk wheel at first. There was some opposition. Okay, we will be looking for this word, some opposition to the design of Falkirk wheel at first. Means they are talking about at first, at the initial stage of designing of this wheel, and there was some opposition. Here means there may be some contradiction or something like between the members of the committee or something like. So we will be going to the paragraph again. Okay, till here we have already read. This had been dismantled in this has been dismantled where in 19 then breaking the link. When the project was launched in 1994, the British Waterways Authority were keen to create a dramatic 21st century landmark which would not only be a fit any kind of criticism about this plan. So it will be not given. So answer will be not given. Okay, come to the 16th question. The Falkirk wheel was initially put together at the location where its components were manufactured. Now writer is saying Falkirk wheel was initially, in the beginning, we can say in the starting point, put together at the location where its components were manufactured. Its component must be manufactured in factory or somewhere. So for this we will directly look for the word initially and where its components were manufactured. Okay, till here we were reading this. The unique shape of the structure is claimed to have been inspired by various sources, both man-made and natural, most notably a Celtic double-headed axe, but also the vast turning propeller of a ship, the rib cage of a whale or spine of a fish. Okay, there is no relation. The various parts of the Falkirk wheel were all constructed and assembled like one giant, or were all constructed and assembled. Here they are talking about our question, like one giant toy building set at Butterley Engineering Steelworks in Derbyshire, some 400 km from Falkirk. A team there carefully assembled the 1200 tons of steel, painstakingly fitting the pieces together to an accuracy of just 10 mm to ensure a perfect final fit. Okay, now we have got the answer here. The question was the Falkirk wheel was initially put together at the location where its components were manufactured. Now he is saying yes, if it is perfectly matching the situation, perfectly matching this sentence, then it is true. If it is not initially put together at the location or somewhere else, then it's false. If they have not talked about where its components were manufactured, they have not talked about initially where they have put together, then it is true. It is not given. So here he is talking about the various parts of the Falkirk wheel were all constructed and assembled like one giant toy building set. Okay, toy building set at Butterfly Engineering Steel Works in Derbyshire, some 400 kilometers from work. Now he is saying, team therefore carefully assembled the 1200 tons of steel. They tried to assemble, they assembled it painstakingly, fitted the pieces together to an accuracy of just 10 mm to ensure a perfect final fit. They just assembled it to look at the look how they can perfectly do it at the final stage. So this answer is, so this is true. So we will put here true. So this is true. Okay. In the IELTS reading, you will always get the answer in sequence wise, not one we will get in upper paragraph and the second we will get in the last paragraph. Always look for the sequence of the questions, and in the paragraph turn wise you will get the answers, but not except in the cases of fill in the blanks. Mostly most fill in the blanks you will be getting in turn wise, but in complete the summary or like this you will not be getting the answer in proper line. So move on to the next question. The Falkirk wheel is the only boat lift in the world, which has steel sections bolted together by hand. Okay, now he is saying it is the only boat. It is the writer may have used the word sole or the single, one and only or unique boat in the world, which has always look for the synonyms in the paragraph. It may be trapped. They may be using synonyms, so try to take out the synonyms before going to the paragraphs. In the world, only boat lift in the world which has steel sections bolted together by hand. Now will only boat lift and which has the boat which has steel sections bolted together by hand. We will be looking by this, by hand. Okay, till now we have read this. Now he is talking about the structure was then dismantled and transported on 35 lorries to Falkirk before all being bolted back together again on the ground, finally lifted into position in five large sections by crane. The wheel would need to withstand immense and constantly changing stresses as it rotated, so as to make the structure more robust, and steel sections were bolted rather than welded together. Over 45,000 bolt holes were matched with their bolts, and each bolt was hand tightened. Okay, they have given hand tightened. Okay, but what he is saying, Falkirk is the only boat lift in the world which has steels. Now we will be looking for now in the first paragraph we come across the sentence, the Falkirk wheel in Scotland is the world's first and only rotating boat lift. Okay, now he is saying, now here the summer of structure, then okay, here the wheel would need to withstand immense and constantly changing stresses as it rotated, so as to make the structure more robust. Now they are talking about wheel structure, then welded together. Then steel sections were bolted rather than welded together. Over 45,000 bolt holes were matched with their bolts, and each bolt was hand tightened. Now he is talking about steel sections of the wheel, but here the question is, the Falkirk wheel is the only boat lift. Now writer is talking about only boat lift in the world which has steel sections bolted together. Here there is no information about the boat. here there is no information about the boat, but in the question he was talking about the boat which has steel sections bolted together by hand, so it is not given. So our answer is not given. So answer is not given. Till here we got the answer, but this section we couldn't get because he is talking about boat which has steel sections bolted together by hand. Don't get confused between true and not given. He has talked about this thing but not about boat lift. Okay, now come to the 18th question. The weight of the gondolas varies according to the size of being carried. So weight of the gondolas varies. Okay, we will look for these weight of the gondolas and varies. For varies he may use different, he may use the word different, unlike, and strange, yet different, to differ. These kinds of synonyms he may use in the paragraph according to the size of boat being carried. Okay, we'll look for the next paragraph. Till here we have already done. Now, the wheel consists of two sets of opposing X-shaped arms. The wheel consists of two sets of opposing X-shaped arms attached 25 meters apart to a fixed central spine. Two diametrically opposed water-filled gondolas. Okay, now we are coming to the point. Gondolas. He in question, again read the question. The weight of the gondolas varies according to the size of boat being carried. The weight of the gondolas. Okay, now come to the point. Gondolas each with a capacity of 360,000 liters are fitted between the ends of the arms. These gondolas always weigh the same whether or not they are carrying boats. Okay, now he has come to the point about the weight of the gondolas varies. Now, but in the question, but here he is saying always the same. But in question, what he was saying, the weight of the gondolas varies according to the size of the boat being carried. Now what? Understand? Now what? Weight of the, here he is saying varies, and in the paragraph he is saying always weigh the same whether or not they are carrying boats. So answer is false. This is contradicting. Here in the paragraph they were saying the same, and here in the question they are asking you the varies. Means he is saying the weight of the gondolas are always different, and in the paragraph they were saying are the same. So this is the clue. Now question 19th. The construction of the Falkirk wheel site took into account the presence of a nearby ancient monument. Okay, the construction of the Falkirk wheel of, now he is talking about construction of the Falkirk wheel site took into consideration, keep in mind, include, allow for, or consider in mind. They may the writer may use these words instead of took into account. Took into account the presence of a nearby ancient monument. So first of all, construction and nearby ancient monument, we should read for these words. Okay, this is because according to Archimedes principle, till here we have already done. This is because according to Archimedes principle of displacement. Okay, come to the next passage. Yes, floating objects displace their own weight in water. So what we were looking for. Okay, instead of reading whole, we will be looking for the common words. The construction of the Falkirk wheel site. Okay, site took into account the presence of a nearby ancient monument. Okay, ancient monument, we will be looking for the word. So when a boat enters a gondola, the amount of water leaving despite boats needing to be lifted enter the canal basin at the level of 4th Clyde Canal, and then enter the lower gondola of the wheel. 2 hydraulic steel between the gates, hydraulic clamp which prevents in the central machine room an arrow to rotate the center axle. The wheel which began to rotate at a speed of 1/8 of a revolution per minute as the wheel rotates. The gondolas are kept in the upright by simpling 2 8-meter wide cork orbit. Okay, you have to read and skim, you have to skim and scan the paragraph like this with the pencil, with the help of pencil or with the help of your finger. The remaining 11 meters, this is the last paragraph, we can find this question's answer here. The remaining 11 meters of lift needed to reach the Union Canal is achieved by means of a pair of locks. The wheel could not be constructed. If you I'm disturbing you in the middle of the paragraph, in the reading. If you are not getting this is the last hope we have got for this question. If you don't get the answer in this, then again leave this question for the last time and start doing the next part of the questions of this passage. Definitely we will get in the last, because whenever we are solving the next type of question, definitely we will come across the nearby ancient monument. So this is the last hope. The wheel could not be constructed to elevate boats over the full 35-meter difference between the two canals, owing to the presence of the historically important Antonine Wall, which was built by the Romans in the 2nd century AD. Boats travel under this wall via a tunnel, then through the locks, and finally onto the Union Canal. Okay, now we got the answer. Now what he's saying, the construction of the Falkirk wheel site took into account the presence of a nearby ancient monument. So this is true. Now what he's saying, the wheel could not be constructed to elevate boats over the full 35-meter difference between the two canals, owing to the presence of the historically important Antonine Wall, which was built by the Romans in the 2nd century. Boats travel under this wall. Now it means they took into consideration about the ancient monument. So in this way we have solved true false. Now come to the fill in the blanks. Now questions 20 to 26, label the diagram below. Now this is the diagram, we have to label this diagram. Choose one word. Okay, this is important. Now go to the directions first before reading the questions. Now what he is saying, choose one word from the passage for each answer. Write your answers in boxes 20 to 26 on your answer sheet. Now now he is talking about how a boat is lifted on the Falkirk wheel. Now we will be reading this. This is type of wheel, Falkirk wheel. Now question is, a pair of dash are lifted in order to shut out water from canal basin. So a pair of dash are lifted. Okay, we will look for a pair of lifted to shut out water from the canal basin. Okay, till here we have already read out. Flowing objects displace their own weight. So when a boat enters a gondola, the amount of water leaving the gondola weighs exactly the same as what. This keeps the wheel balanced. And so so pair of dash, we will be looking for the word pair. It rotates 180 domestic cattle. So boats needing to be lifted up, okay, enter the canal basin at the level of the 4th and Clyde Canal, and then enter the lower gondola of the wheel. 2 hydraulic steel gates are raised. Okay, we are coming to the point. Now we will get the answer. We will get the answer from here to here, I think, or till here. We have started the first line here. Now the question is, a pair of dash are lifted in order to shut out water from the canal basin. Now he is saying pair here means two pieces. 2 hydraulic steel gates are raised so as to are lifted. So instead of using lifted here, he has used the word raised, are raised, so as to seal the so in order to shut out water. So the question is as to seal the gondola off from the water. It means the same. Here are lifted in order to shut out water from canal basin, to seal the gondola off from the water in the canal basin. Okay, we got. Now this is the main important point in these fill in the blanks is you have to use only one word. Now what will you do? There are two words, hydraulic steel gates, in fact three words, two pair, for pair they have used two, hydraulic steel gate. Now which word you will be using for this paragraph? Now which is more important? Read this, hydraulic steel gates. So a pair of gates we will be using, not hydraulic steel gates. Hydraulic steel is it is a steel, but a pair of gates are raised. Which are to be raised? The gates may be of steel, it may be of steel or any other material, but which are to be raised? Gates are raised, gates are to be lifted. So here we will write the answer only gates. So this is the main important point which you have to keep in mind while attempting the fill in the blanks. If they have given you one word, then you have to keep in mind you have to write only one word, not two or three words. You have to select the words according to the sentence. A pair of gates are lifted. Gates can be lifted, but steel or hydraulic steel cannot be lifted. Okay, the gates made of steel. So the answer is gates. You have to be careful, very very careful about this. Okay, A 21. A here A is written, is taken out, enabling wheel to rotate. Okay, we will be looking for A. Maybe they are talking about one thing, enabling wheel to rotate. Wheel will turn out. Okay, now here till here we were here. The water between the gates is then pumped out. Water between the gates is then pumped out. Okay, we got A. Hydraulic clamp which prevents the arms of the wheel moving while the gondola is docked is removed, allowing the wheel to turn. Okay, hydraulic clamp which prevents the arms of the wheel moving while gondola is docked is removed, allowing the wheel to turn. Okay, the question was demanding a dash is taken out, enabling wheel to rotate. Okay, a dash is taken out. First we will look for the verse a dash. So a hydraulic clamp which prevents the arms of the wheel while moving the gondola is docked is removed. Okay, taken out here is removed. For this they have used the word taken out. See, taken out is removed. Is removed, allowing the wheel to turn. Enabling wheel. Allowing, for this they have used the word allowing here means enabling wheel to rotate, to turn. They have written. So now there is again confusion. Now what they have written in the paragraph, a hydraulic clamp, but here we have option of writing only one word. Now what will we do? Again we have to select the word very carefully. Now we will be putting in the blanks one word, clamp only. Like gates, we have to select the word main noun. This is clamp. This is a hydraulic clamp. We should leave this word and the main word. What is a clamp? A clamp we will be we will be writing in this blank. Clamp. Okay. Now 22nd. Hydraulic motors drive. Okay, this is too easy. Hydraulic, we will look for the hydraulic motors. Now what is that? Okay, come here. In the central machine room, an array of 10 hydraulic motors. Okay. Hydraulic motors drive. Okay, this is too simple, I think. 10 hydraulic motors then begins to rotate the central axle. Begins to rotate here means to turn out, to move something, to rotate the central axle. The axle connects to the outer arms of the wheel, okay, to rotate at a speed of 1/8 of a revolution per minute. Okay, now what is the question? Question is asking hydraulic motors drive. What hydraulic motors drive? So the answer we can look for this. In the central machine room, an array of 10 hydraulic motors. Okay, motors, yes, very good. Then begins to rotate the central axle. Now again the word, there are two words for this. See the question, hydraulic. See the question like this. Question is hydraulic motors drive. Hydraulic motors then begins to rotate the central axle. Again the word is two. Now we have to carefully select the word axle. Fine, good. In this way you have to solve all the readings slow by slow, step by step. But in while practicing you can do it, but in exam, before I can say before exam you have to practice it. Start doing it very fast. Now come to the next question. 23. A range of different size ensures boat keeps upright. A range means what? A different, varies. Range, different sizes and different kind of different sizes, something they are talking about, something different sizes, ensures that boat keeps upright. Okay, move on to the next paragraph. Now till here we were doing it. As the wheel rotates, the gondolas are kept in the upright position by a simple gearing system. Two 8-meter wide cocks orbit a fixed inner cock of the same width. Now he is saying two 8-meter wide cocks orbit a fixed inner cock of the same width connected by two smaller cocks. Now he same width, two 8-meter wide cocks, and now again he is saying which connected by two smaller cocks traveling in the opposite direction to the outer cocks, so ensuring that the gondolas always remain level. Okay, read it again. I think two 8-meter wide cocks. There are two 8-meter wide cocks orbit a fixed inner cock of the same width connected by two smaller cocks. It means there are more than two, three cocks which are of different sizes traveling in the opposite direction to the outer cocks. Now he is telling about outer cocks, two smaller cocks, two 8-meter wide cocks in the opposite direction to the outer cocks, so ensuring that gondolas always remain level. Again read the question, I am confused. Okay, a range of different sized ensures boat keeps upright, ensures gondolas keep upright, remain level, so ensuring. So there are, here he is talking about cocks and opposite direction to the outer cocks, so ensuring that gondolas always remain level. When the gondola reaches the top, now what he was asking in the question, boat keeps upright. The boat passes straight onto the, okay. Question is, now in this answer we will put different size cocks. Now next question, 24th question. Boat reaches top level then moves directly into dash. Boat reaches top wheel and then move directly onto dash. Okay, we look for the word onto, top level, then moves directly. Now we were here. Okay, Gondolas always remain. When the gondola reaches the top, boat passes straight onto. Okay, we find the word. We got the word onto the aqueduct situated 24 meters above the canal basin. Now, okay, we will read the question again. Boat reaches top wheel. Okay, I'm just matching it. Boat passes straight onto aqueduct situated 24 meters above the canal basin, moves directly onto. Now this is the word. Directly we have found this word aqueduct. So we will put the word by looking at the spelling properly. Again, I am reminding you, don't write the answers on the booklet of the question. You have to write it only on your answer sheet directly. You will not be getting any extra time for transferring the answers. Okay, now the last. Okay, no, there are 3 questions are left. Okay, 25th. Boat travels through tunnel beneath Roman. Okay, we know where is the location of this. Yes, the wheel could not be constructed to elevate boats over full difference between 2 canals owing to the presence of historically important Antonine wall which was built by the Romans. So what he was saying, boat travels through tunnel beneath presence owing to the presence of historically important Antonine wall, so which was built by the Roman in the 2nd centuries. So we will we will put here the word wall, beneath wall. Boat travels through tunnel beneath Roman wall. Now next question, 26. Dash raise boat 11 meter to level of Union Canal. Okay, Union Canal. Okay. Oh, last is okay. We will match it properly. Okay, we will put here what he is saying. 26. Raise boat level. Okay. The remaining 11 meters we find here, the remaining 11 meters of lift needed to reach the Union level is so achieved by a pair of logs. And here the last lines we haven't read. Boats travel under this wall. Okay, boats travel under this wall via a tunnel. Okay, through the logs and finally onto the Union Canal. So what he is saying, raise boat 11 meter. Here the remaining 11 meters of lift, raise the boat 11 meters to level of Union Canal, finally onto the Union Canal. Boats travel under, he is talking about boats travel under this wall via a tunnel. Okay, already he has told us. Then through the logs and finally onto the Union Canal. Here the answer will come here, logs. Fine. In this way we have completed this fill in the blanks also, and questions from 14 to 26. 14 to 26. So always keep in mind, while doing true false or fill in the blanks, always go for the synonyms also and match the sentences properly. Thank you so much.